Good morning, class. Please stand for the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Before you sit down, please pick pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. If you are settled, then I'm going to check your attendance. Mantequilla, Barlongan. Okay, no one is absent. That is very good. Class, you seem very happy today. What is it? Oh, it's Friday. Then, okay, weekend is coming. So before our weekend, let's have last game for this week. And this game is entitled Addition Speed Test. So what you will do is that you'll solve the equation, or you'll find the sum of what is written in this card, and I will call you randomly. You must answer quick and fast. Let's start. 9 plus 4. Mantequilla. 13. 24 plus 18. Bation. 42. Correct. 17 plus 19. Alisakis. 36. 3 plus 2 plus 5. Marzon. 10. And 6 plus 8 plus 2. Velasquez. 16. Very good, class. It seems that your addition skills are very good. What if we take it up a notch with this? -2 plus -5. Aloro. No idea. Gregorio. No idea. Okay, let's proceed to this. -1 plus -3. Okay, an idea? Okay. Okay. So it seems that you don't have an idea yet about this. So let's just put it in the chalkboard. And later in our discussion, you'll know the answer of this. Okay? So, do you have any idea what our topic will be today? Yes. So our topic for today is addition of integers. And our objectives are transfer it here. So our objectives are add integers using card counters and rules, solve simple word problems involving addition of integers, and relate addition of integers in real life situation. So, have you ever heard about card counters? Not yet. So, to give you more idea about card counters, let's have another game. And for this game, I need 4 volunteers. What you need to do is to find a pair of these 4 words in here. So the answers would be pretty and ugly, happy and sad. No, sorry. Peace and war, dirty and clean. What do you say about this activity? Correct. So in the left side are all positive traits, and on the right side are negative traits. And what about what else? Yes, the positive traits are with color green, and the negative traits are in the pink accents. So the concept of card counters counters is that if we add positive and negative, the answer would be nothing. What if we add happy and sad? There would be nothing. 0. Clean and dirty. There would be nothing again. 0, and so on. So again, what is the concept of colored counters? That if we add one positive number denoted by one circle and one negative number denoted by pink circle, the answer would be 0. So let's start discussing about colored counters with our first example. Three plus 1. So 3 means 3, it is positive, so 3 green circles. And for positive 1, how many circles do we need to? 1. And what color of the circle? 1, because it is positive. Are there any pink and green pairs in here? No. So what we should do is we should just count them off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer to 3 plus 1 is correct, -4. What if we'll have this? -3 plus -3. So this requires us what? Okay, that's correct. 3 pink circles plus 3 pink circles. So, is there any pink and green pairs here? None. So this means that we should just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because there are 6 pink circles, that means that the answer to -3 plus -3 is correct, -6. Example number 3. Okay. 5 plus -4. Okay. This means that we should have, okay, correct, 5 green circles. And -4 means we should have 4 pink circles. So again, if there's any green and pink pairs, we should cancel. So this pair is 0, 0. This pair is 0, and this pair again is equals to 0. So we are left with 1 green circle, and that means that 5 plus -4 is +1. And for our last example, consider this. -4 plus 2. This means that we should have, okay, 4 negative 14 circles for -4. And how many? Okay, correct. 2 green circles for +2. So that means this is equals to 0, and this 2 is equals to 0. So the answer to -4 plus 2 is -2. So, is it card counters easy? Is it easy? Yes. But sadly, colored counters is not the best option for large numbers like 100, 1,000, 1 million. Because we'll have a hard time, okay, correct, we have a hard time drawing circles for large numbers. So we should have, if we have have large numbers, we should use, okay, the rules. And these are the rules for addition with integers. Okay, these are the rules of adding integers. And to further analyze this, just listen to this song. Okay, wait.
Here are your rules for adding integers. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are positive, then the sum is positive. If both signs are positive, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, add them up. If both signs are negative, then the sum is negative. If both signs are negative, add them up. If the signs are different, you must subtract. If the signs are different, you must subtract. You look at the greater value, the sum will be that sign. If the signs are different, you must subtract.
Isn't the song catchy and easy to memorize? Yes. So that means that if both signs are positive, we should just add them up and the result will always be positive. What if we have two negative integers? So, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, here. So if two negative integers is added, we should just add their absolute value and add their absolute value and copy the sign, which is negative. What if we'll have two different signs of integers? So we should subtract their absolute values and copy the sign of the greater integer. So what I want you to do now is to assign these rules of integer into our examples. Okay, so the correct answers are here, 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 and here. So this rule is applicable here because they are both positive integer. This rule is applicable to here because they're both negative integer. This is applicable here because here. And the greater sign is positive, so the answer is positive. And here, the absolute value of 4 is greater than the absolute value of 2 here. So we just subtracted them and okay, the answer is -2. What if we apply our new skills or your new learnings to a word problem? Oh, before I forget, okay, let's go back to our activity earlier. So who can answer -1 plus -3? Okay, Marzon. Correct. And what about -2 plus -5? Mantikilya. Correct also. Oh, you're very good. Okay, now let's test if you know how to apply your new learnings to word problems. So solve the problems. 1. What is 10 more than -2? Okay, Sasis? temperature rose from 0 degrees Celsius by 8 degrees Celsius, but later dropped by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the resulting temperature? Okay, Aloro? Okay, that's correct. Okay, now let's have a seat work. Answer this in your notebook. Okay, solve the following using the indicated method, using card counters and the rules, and solve this word problem. I'll give you 15 minutes. Okay, time is up. Okay, exchange papers. Okay, so, and lastly, let's have an assignment. Okay, I'll put assignment here. So your assignment, in your 1/2 crosswise, construct one real-life problem where you can apply the concept of adding integers. Okay, is that clear? Done copying? Okay, please stand up for our prayer. Amen. So goodbye class, it's been a great week. See you again on Monday.